My name is Andy Craig. I'm an advanced applications specialist here at M&R, and today we're going to talk about Polaris reliability. So one of the myths that we get the most often is that the Polaris isn't reliable across an entire shift, that there's too much downtime. But in reality, there's a story behind that. So the real reason most Polaris systems go down during a shift is because people are not following our checklists for daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly maintenance. The top 3 maintenance items are keeping up with your head wiping intervals, staying on top of your filter changes, and only using approved M&R consumables in your Polaris. You should always be cleaning up any spills that happen over the shift and keeping your pallets clean. If anyone has any questions, please reach out to your local sales rep, dealer, or visit mrprint.com.